What's up everybody, it's Silent. Now I got the idea for this project for two reasons. One, I've always wanted to showcase where I grew up, and two, while traveling around the world, I started to see just how bad of a reputation the Bronx had. And I'm here to tell you that the Bronx is like any place in the world. You have your good people and you have your bad people. The Bronx has a lot of love and a lot of talent, and I really wanted to take this opportunity to spotlight some amazing people, amazing stories, and just show you my hood on a regular day. Which leads me to summertime in the Bronx. Now, New York City summers in general are unmatched, but the Bronx comes alive during this time. On any corner, you'll see a Mr. Softy truck. You see kids playing in the fire hydrant, piraguas. You got hip hop, salsa music blaring louder than you can imagine. It's an atmosphere that is indescribable. The Bronx was my coming of age story, and it has made so many of us who we are today. So without further ado, welcome to the Bronx.
Sometimes I do delicious Puerto Rican things like this here, alcapurrias made out of green banana, plantain, pumpkin, and yautía. And we put meat inside.
Norwood Community Library is an independent, mutual aid approach to getting books to the people on a street level.
And really, it's not about the borough, it's about the people, right? Black and brown, people that have not been given the right resources, the platform to talk, to represent, and all these things, the unrepresented.
Anybody who got something bad to say about the Bronx can eat a